BeLight Software Swift Publisher Review. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will do a review to you guys about BeLight Software Swift Publisher Review. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts right here when you are planning to buy Swift Publisher. So yeah, so let's move on to the review right here. So it says right here that in G2 that Swift Publisher right here has a 4.4 out of 5 star rating with users. So that's a pretty good review right there. So what is Swift Publisher? So Swift Publisher is a page layout and desktop publisher. So this software provides all you need to create effective desktop publishing materials such as flyers, brochures, catalogs, magazines, booklets, newsletters, calendars, posters, menus, cards, Facebook and Twitter covers, and ad banners, and many more. So yeah, so to avail for the special discounts right here, just simply click on the link in the description below and then you'll be redirected here. So when we go to store right here, Swift Publisher right here has different kinds of packages that you can avail. So first is you have the Swift Publisher right here. So in here it includes over 2,000 clip art images. For the Swift Publisher Plus Extras pack, this includes over 40,000 royalty-free clip art images and 100 open type fonts. So with this plan right here, you can save up to $1.99. And then for the Swift Publisher upgrade, that will cost you around $9.99. So you'll get Swift Publisher for business card, composer, disc cover, labels, and addresses. And then they also have some family packs right here as well. So the family pack right here, this can be used for 5 computers. And then the family pack plus extras, you'll get extras right here like 40,000 images and 100 fonts. So this one you can save up to $89.96. So these plans are pretty much good if you are in a work group or in a family. So yeah, so this is pretty good since you can save a lot of money with these. And then we have the extras pack right here. So over 40,000 royalty-free clip art images and 100 open type fonts for $9.99. So yeah, again, if you want to avail for special discounts with Swift Publisher, just simply click on the link in the description below. So yeah, that's pretty much it, the review with BeLight Software Swift Publisher. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.